What's up, everyone? Chef Josh here with Kayo Sushi Catering, and today we are working with a Japanese king crab. I will be showing you how to make a couple different dishes from this, and I will also show you how we will prepare it and cook it. Let's get into it. Careful. Look at that. Big boy. Okay, guys, so the first thing we will do before preparing this crab is we will unalive it in a more humane way, okay? So I want to show everybody what the best way to do that is. You set it down on your cutting board. Make sure it's a nice, even, flat surface area, and it's not too slippery. You always want to be safe while preparing this. You want to set a towel over its head. Take a long bladed knife, okay? And when you shove this in the mouth of the crab, you want to kind of point it up a little bit so it goes straight in the brain. That way it paralyzes the crab. It actually unalives it immediately. Okay? So we'll just go ahead and put that straight in, right in its mouth, and kind of point it up. Okay? And kind of turn it a little. And that's it. Okay, we'll see all the juices come out. You can also do this by the sink too. Okay. I'll lean it a little bit. All the juices come out of it. Okay. On the side, I have this water going as well with a little bit of seasonings. I added some herbs, garlic, ginger, green onion, a little bit of shallots, some lemon juice with about a gallon of water. And what we'll do is we'll steam it for about 15-20 minutes. Make sure everything is cooked thoroughly. And then afterwards, we'll pull out the meat. Okay, he's done. Okay. He is done now. Okay. What I will do is get the back legs, flip it over. We'll lay it down, head down, like such. Yep. And then we'll steam this for about 20 minutes. Yep. Then we'll come back and check it. Ready? Okay, the moment of truth. Our king crab is done. I cooked it for about 18 minutes. This isn't a real big one, but it is done. And it's pretty hot, so I'm going to try to hold it here with a towel here so I don't burn myself. What do you think, guys? Gorgeous, huh? I'll go ahead and give it a nice ice bath so it cools down. That way we can pull it apart in a little bit. And then what I'll do is go ahead and put some ice on it. Let it sit for 5 minutes or so. And we'll pull it apart after. Another thing I forgot to mention, your water that you boiled your crab in, this is all crab broth. Okay, this can be used for making sauces, and you can also store it. You can freeze it. You can filter it out. It has a lot of flavor in it from the crab and the additional herbs and spices that we added in here. So this is not a waste. You can always utilize it and make other things out of it. Just wanted to share that with you. Okay, hopefully we'll be using a little bit as well and incorporating this in the sauces that we'll be using for the crab as well. I'll show you in the next video.